Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting unboxing. I think this is going to be my last project of the year, so that's exciting. And I'm excited to do this one. This one was a bit of a challenge kit for myself, and also it's just cute. So as you can see, it is a Batman kit. So what am I going to be doing? It is a Batman kit. I'm going to show you which one. Let me get everything out of the box, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got the canvas relaxing a bit. So we've got our drills. This is a square kit, as you can see. We've got our tool kit. We've got our warranty card, which I don't need. We've got our stickers, and we have our instruction books, which I also do not need. So this is the newest kit that I've bought from them in a while. I'm kind of curious to see what comes in all of this. Also, not going to lie, this was all kind of shoved in there so tight, it was a little bit hard to get out. Okay, so maybe this is older than I think. So we've got our little plastic glitter tray here. We've got a bag o' baggies, which I will not use. We've got a scrunchie and our diamond painting pen. We've got our heart wax. We've got, ow, our very pokey tweezers because they poked through the end of the little thing here. So let me keep that from happening before I stab myself again. We get two multi-placers, a 4 and a 7 placer. We get, you guys, my black table is driving me crazy because whenever I open a kit, there's just like little pieces of white dust everywhere. Oh, and we've got a cute little popsicle chicken rooster cover minder. So this must be an older kit than I think because this is what I remember coming in them. And then we've got just some very like, what is that, Rorschach looking ink blot washi tape. So that's what came in the toolkit. I got everything back in the toolkit, but man, not fun. So what kit am I doing? Ta-da! I am doing the Bat Signal Calls. So this is a little Batman chibi. He's riding in his Batmobile with the bat signal in the background. Like I said, this is a square. This is not very big. It's only 13 by 13 inches or 33 by 33 centimeters, but it's super cute. It's basically black, gray, yellow, white, and there's some like skin color in there. We'll see how this goes for me. It looks like 2 ABs out of the 8 colors, so that's pretty good. So the yellow looks like it's going to be an AB, and all the white looks like it's going to be an AB, so that'll be fun. Well, not all the white, I guess, because there's 5,200. And then we've got black, gray, peach, and a very, very dark brown or dark gray. Kind of sad there's no fairy dust in here. I think the gray on the, maybe not on the cloud, but on the little bumper here and the windshield, that could have been cool. I don't know if I have any gray fairy dust. I'll have to go look and see. But that might be a cool addition. So only those 8 colors. We've got our pre-cut stickers. We've got this sticker here. I do also have the sticker for my logbook, but I have not been using those. I will likely just print it out on my sheet and be done with it. All right, let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. Okay, I think actually most of this will fit on the canvas, or on the film, so hopefully you can see all of that. I did lift up the cover sheet and do it again. Is this a perforated cover sheet? It is not. So this must be older than I thought. I thought this was going to be one of the newer ones, but I guess it's just a new to me kit. I'm trying to get this lay as flat as I can. So we've got our schematic on both sides. It's Diamond Art Club, so I'm not worried about the symbols being hard to read or anything like that. It does look like the bat signal. All the yellow is going to be the AB, and then the moon and the stars and his eyes are going to be the white AB. It looks like all this smoke down here is just going to be the plain 5200 white. So I'm going to see if I have anything for like the little bumper here and the windshield to see if I can make that fairy dust somehow. And then the background is all basically gray. There's some dark gray back here. And then, of course, Batman and the Batmobile are black and gray. 33 by 33, let's measure. So it said 13 inches by 13 inches. It is actually a 16th under 13 that way, and a 16th under 13 that way. So does that mean it measures correctly in centimeters? Because usually when it's off like that, so there's a millimeter, actually 2 millimeters off this way for 33, and 2 millimeters off that way for 33 as well. So pretty close. All right, I don't need to take any B-roll because you guys can kind of see the whole thing here. So let me just grab the drills and we'll look at those. All right, so not a ton of colors, only 8 colors, but there are 5 bags of gray, which I'm going to assume is the background color. 2 bags of black for Batman and the Batmobile. There is our yellow AB for the bat signal and all the headlights and everything. There's a slightly lighter gray, which I'm going to assume is outlines and things, maybe the cityscape. A light gray, a white, the peach color for his face, and then there are just a few white ABs. And that will be the moon and the little stars. So not a ton of white ABs. Like I said, I may go search out some of these. The blacks I will leave alone, but these grays down here, maybe some fairy dust or some ABs if I can find them. And then maybe some other little accents on his car. But then I think the rest of it I'll probably just leave as is. This isn't very big. Like I said, I'm hoping this will be my last kit of 2024. I am working diligently on my gingerbread lighthouse, trying to finish that one. So if I can finish that one and this, that should take me to my 35 finishes. So fingers crossed that I manage to finish this one. If you've done this one or any of the other ones in this kind of little chibi series, leave me a comment and let me know. How did you like them? Did they have enough ABs? Do you think I should add some more? I'm excited about this one just to see how it turns out, and also that it's a smaller project because it seems like I've only been doing really big things for a while, so I'm happy to have a smaller one. I will stick a link to this one down below so you guys can check it out for yourself if you want. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.